Another way to speed up your design process using SolidWorks is to set keyboard commands. Some of them, if you're an AutoCAD user, like L is line, but some other ones to me don't make sense. One I use a lot is normal 2, and if I hit the N key, because I'm thinking N for normal 2, it doesn't happen. So we can reassign a keyboard command by pushing a key on your keyboard to be whatever we want, even if it is already assigned by default. So right click in the ribbon, and I'm going to go to Customize, and I'm going to go to Keyboard. You can scroll through, and you can learn a lot of keyboard commands really quick just by doing so. But one that stands out to me, and I'm going to set mine, is normal 2. As you can see, I already have mine assigned. So normal 2 doesn't have a keyboard command, but something else is called N, and I forget what it is. But if I go to like the line tool, and I'll find line. Yeah, it's already assigned to be L. So if I'm looking for shortcuts, I could view these if I type in S and shortcuts. I could find out what S controls, and I'm actually not finding it. So this is one that I suggest to my students. Control S is save. That's a Microsoft style command. Is Smart Dimension. Now, I'm lazy. I want it to be D on my keyboard. What else am I going to use for D? Draw? Well, draw is really not a command. Am I going to use display or delete relations? Probably not. So I'm going to set up that Smart Dimension. That Smart Dimension is assigned to the D key. So the D key is already assigned. Others move selected breadcrumbs confirmation corner. I've been using SolidWorks for, well, probably long enough. I don't even know what breadcrumbs are in terms of computer language. I want to reassign it. Yes. So I'm going to check out, let's say circle. Circle is not assigned to anything. Well, I'm thinking C for circle. Expand and collapse the tree is the keyboard command. I mean, you can expand and collapse the tree really easy. I think I'd rather have C on my keyboard be for the center circle. Yes, so I have reassigned these. So when I go to start a sketch and I hit my line tool, I'm drawing a line. When I hit my C on my keyboard, let me try again. There, I'm out of the command. Uh-oh, didn't take it. Customize, keyboard, circle. Circle is a keyword. Okay. There we go. I can now draw a circle. I think R rectangle is preset. No. R is recent. Well, there's another one I could change. I want R to be a keyboard command. And I'll go with corner rectangle. And I want that to be R. Browse recent documents. There's a tab at the top. Okay, now I'll go R, and I'm drawing a rectangle. So I've just modified keys on my keyboard to be a given command. And now when I want normal 2, yes, I have it in my heads-up display. But I can just select N on my keyboard, and it will normal 2. Let's say isometric. There's another one that I recommend to my students. Is Control 7. I really hate double clicking, like Control N7. Let's just say I make it I. do that for all of it, just I. I key already exists. Help, files, and models. Well, I have the search bar at the top. I'm going to change this to I, the whole thing. There we go. No, not I, enter. Sorry, I. Okay. So now I want an isometric view. I'll hit I on my keyboard. I'm back to my isometric view.